Hello, everybody, and welcome back to an all-new Weird But True. Sorry I haven't done a Weird But True in a while, and I'm shooting this video as quickly as I can before my medicine starts wearing off. So, let's get into it. So now, we have monkey/human embryos being made right now. And I'm serious. Literally, these scientists, on the article it says, scientists create early embryos that are part human, part monkey. So yeah, really crazy, if you ask me. So, without further ado, let's listen to the article. Now, hold on. You gotta cut the video here, and then we'll get into the next part. Okay, here we go, guys. How do we get on? Come on.
For the first time, scientists have created embryos that are part human, part monkey. They did it for medical research, but the experiment is raising some serious ethical concerns. NPR health correspondent Rob Stein has the story.
Thousands of people die every year in the United States waiting for an organ transplant, so researchers have been trying to find new ways to get more hearts, kidneys, livers, and other organs for transplantation, including trying to grow human organs inside farm animals like pigs and sheep, by injecting human stem cells into sheep and pig embryos to see if they can grow into human organs in those animals. Juan Carlos Espesua Belmonte is at the Salk Institute for Biological Sciences.
This is one of the major problems in medicine, organ transplantation. The demand for that is much higher than the supply.
But it hasn't worked so far, so Belmonte teamed up with scientists in China to try something new, injecting human stem cells into embryos of a species closer to humans, monkeys. They injected 25 human stem cells into 132 monkey embryos and were able to keep the embryos alive for 19 days. They call these part monkey, part human embryos chimeras, from the fire-breathing monster of Greek mythology that's part lion, part goat, part snake.
Our goal is not to generate any new organism, any monster, and we are not doing anything like that. We're trying to understand how cells from different organisms communicate with one another.
Belmonte says their chimera embryos have already revealed important new clues about how cells communicate. He thinks this could lead to new insights into early human development, the underlying causes of cancer and other diseases, aging, and maybe someday how to grow human organs in farm animals like sheep and pigs. Other scientists agree. Jeffrey Platt is doing related research at the University of Michigan.
This work is an important step that provides very compelling evidence that someday, when we understand fully what the process is, we could make them develop into a heart or a kidney or lungs.
But this experiment raises some really serious ethical concerns, especially about someone going further and trying to make a baby this way. Or could, for example, some of the human cells accidentally end up in the brain? Kirsten Matthews is a bioethicist at Rice University.
Should it be regulated as a human because it has a significant portion of human cells in it, or should it be regulated just as an animal, or should it be something else? And at what point are you taking something and using it for organs when it actually is starting to think and have logic?
Or emotions. And what happens if the creature makes human eggs or human sperm and they mate? Here's Hank Greeley, a bioethicist at Stanford.
Nobody really wants monkeys walking around with human eggs and human sperm inside them, because if a monkey with human sperm meets a monkey with human eggs, nobody wants a human embryo inside a monkey's uterus.
Now, Belmonte says he doesn't want to do anything like that. He just wants to study these part human, part monkey embryos in lab dishes. But bioethicists like Greeley say society needs to start thinking about how far scientists should be allowed to go.
I don't think we're on the edge of beyond the planet of the apes. I think rogue scientists are few and far between, but they're not zero. So it is, I think, an appropriate time for us to start thinking about, should we ever let these go beyond a petri dish?
The National Institutes of Health has been considering lifting a ban on funding for these kinds of experiments, but is waiting for new guidelines from the International Society for Stem Cell Research, which are coming out next month. Rob Stein, NPR News.
For the first time, scientists have created
So, yeah, now we have human.
And now, more from NPR.
Live from NP.
Yeah, so now we are having human embryos. So, they're trying, if you didn't understand all that, literally they are trying to basically make embryos to where they can study human/monkey embryos, which are, if you are a kid, then that means that that's what a person is before they become a baby. So when these human embryos are studied, they could create organs and shit for humans and for organ transplants. And this would work, but people are having ethical concerns and afraid that there's gonna be monkey part human part man people and shit like that. So it's kind of crazy, and yes, if this research is stolen, we could have a new race of humans upon us, which is really, really crazy. And yeah, my voice is starting to come in again, which is great. But yeah, it's kind of crazy that this is even going on. I guess Alex Jones is right on shit about how they're trying to make animal hybrid shit. Now we got it. Alex Jones is totally right, guys. Sorry, my camera cut out there. So yeah, literally, Alex Jones is totally right on that shit. I was listening to him a few days ago, and he was talking about this shit. It's crazy that now we are able to create human-animal hybrids, chimeras, which is literally insane. If you love him or hate him, Alex Jones is totally right on this shit. So yeah, if you like this video, please click the like button. Also hit that bell subscribe button, click on and be notified every time I upload a new video. Also subscribe, we are on the road to 200 subscribers, so just basically subscribe and share this video to as many people as you can to get them on board with this channel, because we need them to subscribe and grow this channel even more. I need your help. So if you want more weird but true videos, sorry I haven't done it in a while, then get on board and share this video to as many people as you can and get them to subscribe. So yeah, so I'll see you out there, weird lovers. This is Brad McDonald signing out. Sorry about the voice at the end. Bye.